Welcome back to our new video. Today we are going to talk about camera mode setting, guys. How can you set camera mode setting in Redmi 10 phone? How can you set camera mode? So today I'm going to tell about this setting, friends. Today we will talk about this setting. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So let's start video, friends. First of all, open your camera, and as you can see this three line, and so I click here and setting option, friends. Come on, customize, friends, and camera modes. You can see, guys, camera modes. Click here. So guys, there are two camera modes, more tab and more panel. So we will click on more panel and come back, guys. So guys, you can see, so guys, you can use your setting from here, and guys, there is no any more option. So now you can use from here slow motion and anything. So I think, friends, you have understood how to set camera modes in Redmi 10 phone camera setting. How can you set camera modes? So bye bye, friends. Thank you for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before you guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.